Do you want to start believing in yourself again? Maybe for the first time even, or maybe after a setback. Have you started to delegate decisions to others, to friends, to partners, to family members, to coaches, to healers? If that sounds like you, then stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to my mini-series on self-confidence. Yesterday we looked at self-trust and self-acceptance, and I asked you to have a think about an area of your life where you may be struggling to accept a decision you've made, or perhaps an aspect of yourself that you are struggling to accept. I asked you to dig into that and think about how your life would be different if that acceptance was in place. Let's take that a little bit further today. A key aspect of self-confidence is self-trust. It's about believing in yourself, knowing that you can. And one of the ways that you can do that is by way of evidence. Let me give you an example. Back when I was making the shift from my legal career to what I do now with coaching and speaking, it wasn't just other people's doubts that I had on loop in my mind. I was also carrying my own self-doubt. Did I really belong in this place? What experience did I have? And those doubts, they didn't go away overnight, oh no. But within all of that, what I did was I showed up. Even when I was afraid I'd forget what to say, that I would freeze in the middle of a session or the middle of a talk, or that what I would say or try just wouldn't land, I showed up anyway. I showed up to my first speaking engagement, my first group engagement, my first corporate coaching session, my first one-on-one. And by showing up and by helping people, I was giving myself evidence that actually I could. Now it's your turn. Choose one small thing that you can do today or this week that will push the envelope forward just a little bit on something that you would like to achieve, on something that would make you feel more confident. Perhaps it's hitting publish on that post that you've been procrastinating over. Perhaps it's not delegating a decision to someone else and being confident and strong to make your own decision and seeing what happens. What's one small step that you can take today that will provide you with evidence of your abilities and will help boost your confidence just that little bit? If you like this mini tutorial, tune in again tomorrow for day 3. And also, if you'd like more, there's a link below to my self-confidence guide and also to my video-based online self-confidence course. Thanks so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.